Hey guys, Chris here, and we are going to talk about trigonometry, how to pass trigonometry, and I didn't like it very much, so I'm going to try to help you guys figure out all the little details and pass trig. So, um, we got a problem here. Find the measure, if possible, of the complement and the supplement of each angle. And so, basically, if we start out with problem here, we have 87 degrees, and we want to be able to map this out. So when you're looking at angles, you have complement, which is 90 degrees, supplement, which is 180 degrees. I remember that a supplement is like supper, and dinner is way better than complimentary breakfast at a hotel. Anyways, so complementary is really just A plus B equals 90 degrees. You want angle, your angle A plus angle B to equal 90 degrees, and so the line at the bottom is known as your standard position, and then anything beyond that is going to be your extras. So here we are going to go ahead and map out what is the supplementary angle, whereas this time we're going to be using A plus B equals 180 degrees, and that will give you your supplementary angle. So if we go ahead and we'll just get rid of that, and we'll work on problem 1 here. So if you make a 180 degree chart, and we've got our 90 degree line here, we'll just mark out 87 degrees, and you can see right here that this angle is 87 degrees. This angle here is going to be angle A, which is going to make up your complementary angle. And so to solve that, you simply put A plus 87 degrees equals 90 degrees, minus 87 from both sides, and that leaves you with 3 degrees. So A is going to be 3 degrees, or your complementary angle is going to be 3 degrees. Pretty easy stuff. And now if we want to solve for the supplementary angle, remember supper is going to be more than your complementary angle, because supper is better than complimentary breakfast. You got A plus 87 degrees equals 180. Subtract 87 from both sides again, this time coming up with 93 degrees. And so your supplementary angle is going to be 93 degrees. So there's two methods for representing a fraction of a degree. First one is a decimal, and that's what we have there, 15.75, and the other one is DMS, or degree, minute, and seconds. So you can kind of see the chart there, and up top you see that what we have is in degrees, minutes, and seconds. And so let's just go ahead and solve for problem 2 here, 22 degrees, 42 minutes. And so if you look, 22 degrees, well, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And so you can kind of work out the math here and say 42 minutes times 1 degree over 60 minutes will actually convert to give you what the decimal should be. And so you can convert from minutes to degrees by performing this equation. So we have, if you multiply those together, you get 0.7 degrees, and then your answer converting over from DMS 2 degrees, so that you can find the complement supplementary angle is 22.7 degrees. So now let's go ahead and solve for complementary angle, and we have 22.7 is our degrees right here, and then in this position, whatever's left from the baseline, your standard position, all the way up to 90 degrees is A, and so we'll go ahead and set that equal to 90 degrees. So if you subtract 22.7 from both sides, then let's see, we get 60 27.3 degrees, and so that is going to be our complementary angle. And so now we can go ahead and solve for the remainder, which is going to be our supplementary angle. And so we can input, rather than 90 degrees, it's going to be 180 degrees. So A plus 22.7 equals 180 degrees. And then as we subtract 22.7 from both sides, then we can go ahead and figure out what our complementary angle, our supplementary angle is. And if you want, you can change this to B rather than A, just maybe if it confuses you having both set equal to A. But it doesn't really matter too much to me, so I gotta go ahead and fix that out next and put an equal sign instead of a minus sign. So 22.7 minus 180 degrees, and you're probably already ahead of me on this one, but it comes out to be 157.3 degrees, which is going to be your supplementary angle. So pretty easy to solve. All you have to do is do the conversion, and you can go ahead and figure out your complementary and supplementary angles. So let's go ahead and